Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how you can change your username on Instagram. So first you have to click in your profile icon. Then you have to click on three line on the top. Then you have to go to setting. Then tap on account center. Then go to profile. Tap on your Instagram profile. Then click on name. And here you can change your username. So friends, you can only change your name twice within 14 days. Now you have to tap on save and your username will be saved. And friends, similarly you can change your username also. Make sure it is unique name, because if you simply write your name here, it will show username is not available. So you have to give underscore and then you have to give some number. And when you see the green tick, it means you can save this name. Now you have to click on done and your name will be changed. So friends, if this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon also.